So, thank you so much for joining on a Sunday. And wanted to talk about now we've done with celebration. So, how about getting back into creation mode and what's next? Obviously, because celebration takes you into a very easy, laid back, um, fun zone, which is great. But what if you could get that energy, that lightness, that I don't know if you had humor. How many people really enjoyed the Diwali? Just a question. All of you or some of you? Did you encounter some kind of fights or some kind of disagreements? If you have a family, it's about, oh my God, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, वैसे क्यों हो रहा है? We all kind of go through our own thing. Because since I was a kid, I don't have very fond memories of Diwali. I'm like, okay, cool, yet another festival. Let's get done with it. So yeah. And after celebration, obviously, we often think now it's time to rest because hardly 2 months more to go, and then the year is done, actually. But what if creation actually begins after celebration? How many of you would like to carry that energy, that buzzing energy that you had when you were enjoying, or the joy, the laughter, the indulgence, the chaos after which is already expanded, you're receiving? There's some people who enjoy their festival, some people get depressed in their festival, some people have like a mediocre one, but irrespective of that, you have expanded your receiving, and now it's time to use that energy to create something different, something greater. So how many of you think that, okay, Abhi, now I need to make my new year resolution, hardly 2 months more to go, and so what have you decided? Like, what have you thought of that after celebration I'm going to do this, or I'll start over, or let's wait for the next thing to come and then I will see what is to be done, or I'm getting back to normal, okay, I'll do it and all. So whatever stupidity you're using to stop the energy of your creation that you could be choosing, could you just allow your barriers to melt away and be an allowance of choosing something way more? And everything that you've decided, the celebration and creation, that they are separate and they're not together, will you please let that go?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me, what energy, space, and consciousness is required for you to start creating? What choice could you be now? And what choice could you add to your creations? Have you thought of what is it that you would like to create? Is there anything that you want to create, or are you comfortable where you are? And that's okay if you're comfortable. See, that's nothing wrong. What would you like to create now? It could be relationship, health, body, family, better relationship with yourself, money. What is it? Travel? What would you like to create? And maybe all of the above. So what is it that, if you could just close your eyes and get to the energy of that, get to the vibrational energy of that celebration thing. Maybe if you've not enjoyed your festival, you've seen people who've enjoyed it, who've done parties, who've done card parties, who've done rave parties also, because in Ahmedabad we had kids doing rave party where they were raided or whatever. I mean, but get to the point when they were enjoying, not when they were raided. So get to that laughter, colors, connection, sparkle, everything. So close your eyes and connect to the energy of that joy, that celebration. And pull the energy of that. Pull the energy of that and more from everywhere. That will light up your world. And if that was the energy of your creation, what would show up? What would you like that shows up in your life? What would it be like? What would you like to create that's as light and as sparkly and as alive as that energy of celebration that you've just encountered or you've seen people enjoy? Or you've seen some reel, for all you know. You've seen people do it. You've seen your family do it. Or when you were a kid, when you had a real good time, maybe not right now, whatever. And even if it's right now, you don't get to the energy of wearing those bright, fancy, traditional clothes and new clothes and what fun and getting money. How does it feel like that? Ooh, that's like an expansion in your world. What fun is that? What would you like your life to be like at the end of this year? And now, what energies could you invite that would create absolute ease, joy, and glory with that energy that you're asking for, that you're desiring for? And now, what is it that you can add to your life that would expand your life and living? What is it? What practical magic could you be adding to your life now? What actions, what energy? So now that's celebration, that's fun, and now what action is required? Bring it into your embodiment. Feel it in your body that yes, I would like to do this. How when you have to enjoy Diwali celebrate करनी होती, you go लक्ष्मी जी की मूर्ति लेनी है, गणपति लेना है, फल लेने, फूल लेने हैं, मिठाई लेना है, whatever you're doing, you're making, taking some action so that your puja or that festival comes into life, and you start livening livening it up for everyone. Or maybe if it's a party that you're throwing, or you're going to a party, you're getting dressed, all of that requires action, right? So what is that one action that you can take in the next 24 hours that would align with that energy of creation that you would like to create in your life? And as I said, could be in any area of your life. And creation does not really mean that you have to do something. It's about your being. That being that is going to be moving the molecules so that you can do something. So what if you could get your body to a body class or a foundation class, maybe a bars class, maybe just get a session done, maybe go for a swap, could be anything. What if your body and your foundation are your greatest co-creators in this new phase, in the next phase? And what would that contribute to you for what's next? And have you ever even thought about it? What's next on your list of things? Have you thought of it? Anybody? Let's just discuss. I mean, it's not just money, okay? All, Gurpreet is saying all. Yeah, Gurpreet. So now to have it all, where is it that you're resisting from taking that final step? Where are you stuck? Don't tell me it is money, because money is just an excuse that we create for not having what we would truly like to have. Don't say time, because time is yet another construct that we've created for ourselves. And then we say, oh, because of this, I can't have that. Don't say sickness, because that is yet another reason that we give ourselves for what we're not willing or able to choose. And that's a lie too. So what would you truly like to create going forward? Anyone? You can write it also, I'll read. Let's have an access classes. You want to attend, you want to conduct, you want to facilitate, travel for Hajj. Brilliant. So what is limiting you? Attend. What is the limitation that you're personally facing? New job, that you would like to have a new job, right? Is what I'm understanding, Sushmita. Right? Okay, so closed proposal would mean that you are having certain proposals which you would like to get a result on. Perfect. So get to the energy of this celebration energy and flow energy to all of these now, whatever. And see all your limitations melting away. Or that you're going beyond those limitations that you think they are. Because when we have a fixed point of view, that itself becomes a limitation. अगर आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बन चुका है कि नहीं नहीं ये तो बहुत महंगा, ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा, तो और ऑटोमेटिकली आपने आपके यूनिवर्स को बता दिया कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा, तथास्तु। तो उसको कैसे बदलना है, क्या करना है, वो तो हमने सवाल ही नहीं किया। तो क्या सवाल करा जा सकता है कि जो हमारे पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी तक हमको पहुंचाएगा, वो कहाँ हमारी कहानी अटक रही है और कहाँ उसको हम अटका रहे हैं। इफ यू कुड जस्ट सिंपली बी इन दैट क्वेश्चन। सो न्यू जॉब के लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ सुस्मिता इज सेइंग न्यू जॉब, क्या करना होगा? Obviously, you'll have to update your resume, float it around, tell people. Maybe कभी-कभी resume नहीं होता है. It's about, yeah, but how do you open yourself to receiving? When you're being you is when you can start receiving. Can you stop pretending to be someone else? Can you stop pretending to people please or do whatever that you're doing? What would you like to truly have? When you be, you're receiving. करना नहीं पड़ता. It's not a doing. Okay, so receiving is not a doing, then what would you have to be? What would an access class give to you, Rashi?
I got a lot of happiness.
So what happiness am I resisting? क्योंकि वो, I'd agree when you come to a point, and I agree to disagree also, that okay, it's the money that because of that I can't be this or do this. If you just melted or dropped your points of view कि पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, things start showing up very differently. हाँ गुरप्रीत.
Hi, Kavita. Kavita, I was saying that there are times that we are ourselves. We are not buttering anybody or trying to please anybody, but still the receiving is very less. We are contracted.
Are you contracted? Are you
Limitations,
aware
point of
of this?
views are there. So what do we do?
Gurpreet, are you contracted or are you aware of
Sorry?
other people's are you contracted or are you aware of other people's contraction? हमें क्या होता है, हमें
Other
ये
people's
बॉडी,
contraction.
हाँ, हमारी बॉडी जो है एक एक कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मर के जैसा, जो रिसीवर के जैसा है, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ले रहा है, बटोर रहा है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन. नन ऑफ दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन इज आवर्स. हमारा बॉडी एक सेंसरी ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो दूसरों की इन्फॉर्मेशन हमको देता है, करेक्ट? अब उसको हम अपना बना लेते हैं, वहां हम फंस जाते हैं. लेकिन पॉइंट इज, बॉडी सिर्फ बता रहा है कि आसपास में क्या चल रहा है. आप कहीं किसी के घर पे जाते हो और आपको सडनली लेस महसूस होने शुरू हो जाता है, वो आपका नहीं है, क्योंकि आप बाहर तो बड़े एक्सपेंडेड रियलिटी से उसके घर में गए, एंड सडनली वो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन उस या तो घर का है या घर में रहने वाले लोगों का है. आप उस घर के अंदर जब घुस रहे हो, तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन की इंफॉर्मेशन आपका शरीर आपको दे रहा है. सो उस अवेयरनेस में आना और उसी एक्सपेंडेड स्टेट में रहने में आपको सिर्फ ये जानने की जरूरत है, ओ हु डज इट बिलोंग टू? मेरा तो फिर भी नहीं है ना. तो दूसरों की कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हम अपनी क्यों बना लेते हैं? और वहां पे पीपल प्लीजिंग एटीट्यूड शुरू होता है कि ओ बेचारे को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, उनको बेचारा बना देते हैं और उसी चक्कर में खुद बेचारे बन जाते हैं. तो दैट इज what I meant when I say that what if you could be the invitation, you yourself can be an invitation to your own reality कि अच्छा मुझे अब क्या करना है और क्या जरूरत है, क्या मेरा बॉडी मांग रहा है, क्या मेरे रिलेशनशिप मांग रहे हैं, क्या मेरा जॉब मांग रहा है, करियर मांग रहा है. ओके, माय बॉडी वांट्स मूवमेंट, चलो ठीक है, ये मूवमेंट उसको देते हैं. क्या ट्रैवल मांग रहा है, लेट्स डू दैट. What if बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Celebration to creation mode is just a very subtle move that you kind of choosing, making a choice, even getting that thought, okay fine, this is how I look, see my life. So imagine if this, what we're talking right now, अगर इस एनर्जी से आपको कुछ एक्सपेंशन महसूस होता है, तो इमेजिन लाइक हाउ राशि सेड शी वुड लाइक टू अटेंड एक्सेस क्लासेस. तो एक फाउंडेशन हो गया, कि बॉडी क्लास हो गया, कि बुक रीड हो गया, सबसे कम स्मॉलर प्रोपोर्शन वाला चीज हो गया, या कोई किसी के साथ बार्स ही कर लिया आपने. व्हाट वुड दैट क्रिएट इन योर वर्ल्ड? मतलब इट्स लाइक नरिशमेंट टू योर सोल. क्यों कहते हैं बार बार करते रहो? क्योंकि आप इस रियलिटी में जब रह रहे हो तो आपको बाकी लोगों का चीजें बहुत ज्यादा समझ में आ रहा है या महसूस हो रहा है, right? You're getting sensitive with that. What I'm saying is, if you're just aware of it, okay, what can I choose now? What can I change now? And this is not yours. So you'll have to keep adding on to wherever you reach or where you would like to reach, because वो कहते हैं कि उस स्पेस में रहने से वो फ्रीक्वेंसी और पॉसिबिलिटी चेंज हो जाती है। मे बी डेली नरिशमेंट क्यों देते हैं अपने बॉडी को ना? बहुत लोग नहीं खाते हैं ना, तो भी बढ़िया रहता है ना। So what is required for you, your body, your energy, only you are aware of it, na? The minute you stop judging, ki creation, what is creation? Because creation begins at the moment just simply asking, okay, what's next? Rather than getting into, oh, that's over now, getting back into the regular regime. Start asking, what else is possible now? And with adding laughter to your life every moment, or maybe just like a dance move every moment. What if you were in a flow? What would that create? What if every sparkle of your Diwali that you like diya to khara hi hoga apne, like candlelight or diyas or whatever, they continue to ignite your creations this year. What would you like to choose? And add ease, joy, glory to everything. So you being you is the greatest gift. And from there, your receiving opens. And when your receiving opens, automatically you start inviting things in your space. A limitation is only a limitation because you've judged it as a limitation. It's not yours. अगर सब खत्म हो गया तो क्या होगा? That's what we say, ना? Don't we? पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे, फिर बचेगा नहीं, फिर हमारे पीछे जो छोड़ के जाएंगे वो उनको पूरा नहीं मिलेगा। तो what if you can have trust that वो भी अपना कमा लेंगे? क्या फिर आप अपना करोगे कुछ? गोरे लोग जो हैं वो क्यों ऐसा अपनी ये बाहर पीछे लेगेसी इतना नहीं छोड़ के जाते, वो खुद पे उड़ा देते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको है कि मेरी लाइफ है, मेरे को अपने पे जीना है ना। लाइक उनको ये भी यकीन होता है कि वो जो मेरा बेटा है, बेटी है, जो भी है, वो अपना दिल क्रैकेट वो फोड़ लेंगे अपना। अपने को दिमाग फोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है उनके लिए। But we as Asian or Indian parents or partners or whatever, we want to leave everything for them, है ना? इस पूरे चक्कर में हम खुद को छोड़ते चले जा रहे हैं। How is that working for you? Is that really working for you? And I'm not saying कि गलत है, but you can always make a 10 or 20% account for them. Suppose you're getting 100, do your 10% honoring, do 10% honoring for your work or business or whichever way you get money. And if you're not having that, no problem. जहाँ से भी source of income आ रहा है, do 10% of that, and do 10 or 20% for your family or kids or whatever. And never touch it. Slowly grow होगा, लेकिन हो जाएगा. Why would you give up your reality for them? Include them in your reality as well. That if I'm going to upgrade my life, they are going to get upgraded automatically. When I'm a calm mother, my child is happier, right? So I'm investing in myself. No, I'm investing in the child only that I'm doing this. Where have you decided that no, I have to do it for others? Great. Work on yourself. You are a contribution to the world just by working on yourself. Hi, Nisha.
Hi.
So you just joined a little late for the creation part of it. What would you like to create? Hello. What would you like to create?
Me? You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
One second. Create the opportunities, the job, the business. I'm just more and more clear in what I want to create with my life. and I want that to actualize at the speed of space.
Yeah, so you're just saying it. What part of it are you not congruent with? क्योंकि हम कितनी चीजें बोल देते हैं और आधी चीजों में तो यकीन होता है ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला, तो हम बेसिकली अंदर से यकीन रखते हैं ये होने नहीं वाला है, तो तथास्तु उसी के लिए हो रहा होता है. What part of it you're not congruent with when you're asking for
So
something?
yeah.
So
that
because
is,
if I tell Rashi, no, I mean just before you join, I will tell Rashi, like Rashi's like, okay, I want a 1 lakh rupees so that I can do this. Yeah, so I'll ask for 2 lakhs. Yeah, but you show so sure that I will not even get 50,000. So how will you get 2 lakhs? A lot of people are just simply asking for the sake of asking. अच्छा वो कह रहे तो मांग के देख लेते हैं. भरोसा तो है नहीं कि यूनिवर्स देगा. कहाँ से देगा, कहाँ से आएगा? You get into the logistics of the whole thing. What if you didn't have to think how it's going to show up, but it shows up? So my only thing is, I would like to have this. Okay, very good. Where are you not being that energy that you will invite that in your life?
yes.
What is it that you're resisting to be and
I'm
refusing to
willing to
receive?
let go of all of that, yes. And I'm willing to receive now.
Yeah, but receiving में good, bad, ugly सारी चीजें आ जाती है भाई.
Yes. I got
Are
that.
you ready to receive the good, the bad, and the ugly?
Yes.
Because उसमें हमें आधी चीजों में क्या चाहिए होता है, हमें we just want to be judged as good people. We don't want to be judged as a, you know, वो बदल गई है, she's become so arrogant, she's become this, she has an attitude, पता नहीं खुद को क्या समझती है, or whatever. We don't want to be that bitch, you know. It is always trying to figure out how and where it's coming from.
Yes,
Absolutely. तो वो दिमाग ही तो चल रहा है ना हमारा, तो हमारा दिमाग हमको पहले ही बता देता है, you wanna bet? You wanna bet? दिमाग ये कहता है ये नहीं आने वाला. अरे मैं बता रही हूँ नहीं आएगा, ये हो ही नहीं सकता, आज तक नहीं हुआ है तो कैसे हो सकता है? That is what the mind tells you. My question is, are you willing to go beyond your mind and get your bars run? Because bars will get you over your thing, you know. Usha ji, are you attending the call or are you sleeping? Hi, yeah. Because your camera is going in and out, huh? So it's like very erotic.
No, I'm here.
Okay, ठीक है, that's fine. No, I was just kidding. So I've had people reaching out to me and saying that, okay, हमको बस इतना सा दे दो, जब इतना मिल सकता है. नहीं, वो बड़ा चीज नहीं करना है, मुझको छोटा चीज इतना काफी, इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दो. हम लाइक ओके, वी कैन डू दैट, ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट हम कितने तसल्ली कर लेते हैं इतने से में. हमने इतना चबाया और इससे इतना बदलाव आया. हम उसके आगे नहीं जाना चाहते क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा बदलना नहीं चाहते हम लोग. कितनों को तो यही डर लग जाता है कि हमारा फैमिली टूट जाएगा, फैमिली पीछे रह जाएगा, तो वी हैव टू बी अ गुड फैमिली पर्सन, वी आर विमेन, हमारे ऊपर ही चलती है कहानी. आई एम सिंपली सेइंग व्हाट इफ दीज आर जस्ट लिमिटेशंस एंड इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू यू हैव गिवन टू योरसेल्फ. हाँ वंदना.
So for me, it is coming since the beginning of the call that I would like to create a vibrant, healthy body. Though my body is healthy, no issues at all, but at the same time, it doesn't feel light. It feels very heavy and tired and sluggish all the time.
Yeah, who does that belong to and how many people is your body aware of who are tired, lazy, laid back, sluggish and exhausted and not willing to move? You're in Mumbai, right?
Yeah, so actually, my mother's in ICU and she's been in and out of ICU for almost a year, and she's been kind of bedridden. So I know I'm pocking that it's not changing.
It is not about pot pocking. यहाँ पे आपको awareness ये रखना होगा, oh, I'm aware of her body or many other people that my body is tapping into similar vibration. And if you go to the hospital often, you have to keep clearing your entities.
Yeah, I keep dreaming of her. So she's pretty much like non-responsive now. But this afternoon also I dreamt of her, and Yeah, so that is what, maybe it is probably that only.
So ask your body, hey, what are you, what can I do for you that will make you active? Ask your body. Your body has the information, has the awareness. What is it asking for?
I think I'm healing her subconsciously, and I'm not able to figure out how to. Every time she arrives in ICU, which is pretty regular now,
Can
I
you do
fall.
exit stage left for her rather than healing her and give her body the choice to choose whether to stay or go?
Yeah,
Exit stage left.
yeah. I mean, she's in Delhi right now. Her brother's looking after, so I'll do it energetically for her.
Yeah, exit stage left can be done from anywhere at
Yeah,
any time. So either her body will choose to become healthy and come back, or has a choice to even go. And that, it's a choice that she's going to be making. You're
right.
just giving that space to her. What would
No,
you
no,
like to
I have
choose?
no points of view about the exit stage left. I have no points of view. If I do
That's
it for
great.
her, yeah,
And because you're connected with your mother because we all are, aren't we? मम्मी के जाने के
right,
बाद भी हम connection तो नहीं छोड़ सकते ना. माँ बाप है
right.
जिनके थ्रू हम आए हैं. So at whatever age that her body had started getting sluggish or slow, we start slowing down because we are biomimetically mimicking it.
Oh,
Can we return all of that and choose what our body would like to be like in this reality?
okay.
है ना?
Yeah,
Also ask, how many dimensions am I tapping into? Your body is just a receiver of all everything. उसको नहीं पता है सही गलत क्या है क्या नहीं है. Body has no point of view. अब वो बॉडी में आ जाता है और थोड़ा भारी लगता है, like, ओह ये गलत हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है मुझे. That's how we kind of start panicking. We start getting anxious. You have rescue remedy, you have CPR. Start
yeah,
having that.
okay.
So I am choosing to be laid back right now and sluggish. I'm enjoying the space of being sluggish. Great. That could be a choice. What if you could have ease and peace with that as well?
Yeah, I never thought of doing homeopathy for this. Rescue remedy will be fabulous.
It is. So you can ask a question. Okay, I am just giving you suggestions as to something that works for me. और अगर आराम करने का हो रहा है तो हो रहा है ना, उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
No, it
आराम
makes
कर लो.
it very difficult for me to function. Right now, my whole body is paining for no reason.
Yeah, who does that belong to now? Are you aware of the earth? Someone else? ये पेन के नीचे क्या इंटेंसिटी है जो ऑफ अवेयरनेस दैट आई एम रिफ्यूजिंग टू रिसीव? पेन इज ऑलवेज एन अवेयरनेस दैट यू आर रिफ्यूजिंग टू रिसीव. क्या अवेयरनेस आ रही है? पूछो तो सही. किस बॉडी पार्ट में आ रही है? क्या फंक्शनैलिटी आपकी हैम्पर हो रही है? Ask that, what is it that is getting affected?
Okay.
And then the minute you become aware, आधी problem वहाँ clear हो जाती है, and then you would just simply say, okay, let this go now. Or what else can I choose here? What kindness can I choose for my body today? And maybe every day could be the same or could be different, but you have to ask every day.
Yeah.
Is my body asking for stretching, asking for movement, asking for change of food, change of environment, whatever?
Okay.
So it's about getting present. Okay, it is a transmitter given to you. Your body is just giving you information. And when somebody says, I want to earn, I want to make money, I want to do this, I want to travel, ask body से पूछो, body किधर जाना है? अच्छा जाना है? अच्छा कैसे? चलो कैसे? इसी से बोलो ना, body create money. शाबाश. It's like your private pet यार.
True.
दूसरों को जाके पेट करते रहे तो इट्स योर पेट. हाँ बेबी बता क्या कैसे? अच्छा यहाँ चले, ओके यहाँ चलते हैं. आई हैव नो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अबाउट इट. दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट अ बॉडी क्लास डज. दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. पता है भगवान ने बहुत दिया है. ये पहला क्लास है जो जिसमें कहते हैं दिमाग नहीं इस्तेमाल करो. जब दिमाग नहीं इस्तेमाल करोगे देन यू विल फॉलो द एनर्जी.
Right.
सबको प्रूव करना है वो कितने इंटेलिजेंट है, क्योंकि सबको लगता है कि वो बहुत बड़े डफर हैं क्योंकि स्कूल कॉलेज में उन्होंने टॉप नहीं किया. मुझे भी लगता था बहुत टाइम तक. till I realized कि मेरे को याद रटन शक्ति जो थी वो इतनी पूरी नहीं थी मेरी. So I could never, ace it. I could never ace it. And I always thought that because I couldn't perform in my school, college, I was not a smart kid. But smartness does not lie in your marks. And if you were a topper, great. Now, if you're not doing well in life, how much judgment are you carrying for yourself that I'm not good enough? See, I did so well, but now what am I doing? So clear that as a thing. Or maybe you had siblings who were smarter than you and are doing well in their life, and your parents kept saying, "Usko dekho, kitna acha karta hai, karti hai, whatever." Yeah, obviously.
I had that.
Yeah, so then you obviously feel like a, dumbass.
Duffer.
Yeah, you do. That वो तो पढ़ लिख के बन गए, तुम तो कुछ नहीं बने, whatever, the thing is, everything they're brought up, just let it go to whoever it belongs to. It's not yours, it's never yours. You made it yours. Now you are functioning from that. You are trying to prove something which is also exhausting you, that I want to prove to the world, which already means that you deep down don't believe that you are. Because if you are, you wouldn't need to prove. Stop proving.
That's absolutely correct, actually. I was my brother and sister would top and I'd be at the bottom of the class, and it was like a refrain. ये दोनों तो बहुत smart है, ये ऐसे ही है. And since that, I've had career success and always in competition with my brother and sister, proving that I'm better than them.
And everywhere you overcompensated to prove how smart you are.
Yeah. Destroy and kill.
Yeah, I mean, which is exhausted you to no end. Yeah, let it go. The minute you give up your need to prove, you're a stupid ass. Yes, I am, and I love being one. कोई tension ही नहीं है ना. Now from being an ass, how much you can create?
Right.
That's the creation we're talking about. Like honestly, तुम सुअर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं कि वो सुअर है. हमें सुअर को देख के लगता है ये कचरे में और ये गंद में क्यों लोट-पोट कर रहा है. बट वो तो एंजॉय कर रहा है ना. So if you had no point of view about being who you are, how much more receiving would be expanded in your world?
Yeah, right.
तो वो अब मम्मी से आ रहा है कि पापा से आ रहा है, whatever, वो किसी से भी आ रहा है यार. Why would you make it significant, first of all? And if you go out for a walk, go, jog, walk, cook a meal, do something, just maybe use a tool, maybe play some audio, just have fun, or just sleep, binge watch, do whatever. What if nothing was right or wrong? You do you, right?
Yes.
As kids, you never judge. As kids, we never judge ourselves. Then why now? As we grow up, you're wasting too much time. Oh, you know what? I'm always on reels. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be on the reels. But yeah, you're getting some ideas, aren't you? Aren't you getting ideas? Aren't you getting
Yes.
entertained? So is that
Yes.
wrong to get entertained? You are in the entertainment industry to an extent, like an advertising thing or whatever you do.
Yes.
Why would you not waste your time? Okay, waste. These
No,
are
I
tools
always
given to you.
watch
These are
reels at
toys.
night to
These are
relax
tools.
me to go to sleep.
That's
I
what
see
these
all
are.
those nonsense jokes, that do
Exactly.
world or whatever.
And then you will have some Mahapurush coming and saying that आप अपने अंदर जो डालते हो वो बिल्कुल स्वच्छ होना चाहिए and all that. You're bloody losing it, right?
Yeah.
क्या डालना चाहिए क्या नहीं उसी का जजमेंट हो जाता है. तुम वो डालो जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है यार, तुम्हारे को मन को खुश करता है. एंड उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो अपने आगे की जर्नी में कि मुझे कुछ क्रिएट करना है. सिंपल. स्टॉप द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट देयर एंड देन. And when you drop the conflict, that is where creation exists. That's why I'm saying you don't have to do anything. Just start choosing more for you, for yourself. So that's it for this time. And then we're going to be catching up soon, more often actually. Abhi, I'm going to Vijayawada this weekend for a body class. Then I'm going to Mumbai for a body class. So anyone wishes to join, please feel free. And of course, we're starting with getting out of debt joyfully on Tuesday. Hop on if you would like to know how to get out of debt. And उसके लिए debt होना जरूरी नहीं है. वो money creation का एक और underlying reality है if you kind of know what tools to use. क्योंकि Getting Out of Debt Joyfully is a beautiful book जिसमें बहुत सारे तरीके दिए हैं कि how you can start making money if you feel guided enough. Ping karna to me or to Sneha and I will be more than happy to guide you on that. Because that's a long journey, like we're going to be doing for a little longer time.
That's a book read,
And-
Kavita?
It's a book read, yeah. And also we're coming up with something called adventure with money. तो हम वैसे ही लाइफ में बहुत एडवेंचर कर रहे हैं तो पैसे के साथ तो चल ही रहा है ना जो ऊपर जा रहे नीचे जा रहे ऊपर जा रहे नीचे जा रहे इट्स मोर लाइक अ थिंग so that is going to be a 3 to 5 part series kind of thing. We're just working on that, and when that comes, mostly November mein hoga wo Adventure with Money, where you can be adventurous and get out of your point of view that you have. Oh, I'm wasting my time, I'm doing nothing, paisa kaise create hoga, I'm not doing enough, or whatever that is. And what tools can you use there that will get you on the path of creating money. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rukshana.
Thank you, Kavita.
Thank you, Rashi, for being there on this call.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.